Now back to our breaking news. A judge has declared a mistrial in the corruption case against Philadelphia City Council member Kenyatta Johnson. He's speaking now.
Was this an unfair prosecution of you, Councilman?
I'm going to leave all that to my lawyers.
Further questions. See you, KJ. Can we get some room here?
Councilmember, what was going through your mind?
What I'm going to do is allow y'all to talk. I'm going to allow y'all to talk to my lawyer, and I'll continue fighting on behalf of the residents that I represent in the 2nd Councilmanic District.
How will this impact your job?
Do you know yet if there's going to be a retrial? What would your message be to prosecutors that are mulling a retrial right now?
God, what we're going to do is we're going to take them back over and we'll answer every and all of your questions.
All right, folks, so we are going.
All right, guys, so we're going to continue to talk to some of the attorneys. The council member made a statement and then got in the car thanking his supporters. And then we have his attorney and also his wife's attorney here. So let's hear from them.
What would your message be to prosecutors right now that are mulling the decision over a retrial?
I would not be sending a message through the media at this particular time. We will take our message to the prosecutors at the appropriate time, and we'll ask them to use their discretion more wisely this time than they did last.
What was profoundly wrong with this case? What was wrong?
Profoundly is your word, my friend. The issue in this case is that there was no evidence in our view. Fortunately, some of the jurors obviously saw that way as well. We believe that won't change because there is no evidence, because my client did nothing wrong. And hopefully at the end of the day, reason and justice will prevail, and we'll get the, this case will go away as it should without any convictions for either my client or his spouse.
Are you expecting a retrial?
I would like to emphasize this. I would like to emphasize this. Mr. Johnson and Ms. Chavu have gone through a lot in the last 6 years. You can imagine the pressure this has been on them and their family, and we hope this is the end of it.
You're a longtime federal prosecutor. You know what the feds do. They're likely to retry, correct?
Well, we are, of course, going to, Mr. Egan and I are going to speak with them, and hopefully they'll decide not to retry it.
When you speak with them, what does that mean?
Well, that's something that we'll have to discuss in the future.
It'll be well-reasoned, well thought out, and hopefully effective.
Do you feel like the situation has changed? Do you feel like the environment has changed given that?
All I can say is, this has been a long journey for them for the last 6 years, and we hope it's near the end.
But your belief is that they did nothing wrong here. This is a young couple with kids who were simply doing legislative business, correct? Advocating for constituents?
That was our position in court, and that will continue to be our position, yes.
Are you looking at other previous cases, like Senator Menendez is a case, 2017, there was a mistrial, the prosecutors decided not to retry again. Are you looking at any of those previous cases?
Yeah, of course. We'll be looking at all of the precedent, we'll be looking at all of the law, we'll be looking at the record from this trial, we'll see what does and what wasn't done. And we will have a reasoned and thoughtful approach to the next phase of the case, and you guys will be around for it, I'm sure.
This is the second time recently that the city has been watching one of their council members on trial. What does this case tell people in Philadelphia?
It tells us no more than anything that would be an allegation brought against a media member about another media member. The fact that they're both councilmen are the only thing they have in common when it comes to the charges.
You said Johnson made a mistake by not telling City Council that his wife had a consulting contract. Speak about that. What was his mistake?
Yeah, I'm not speaking about that right now.
But you did say it in your opening statement. You said he made that mistake.
I did say that because obviously it was a mistake to not do that, but it's got nothing to do with whether a bribery was committed or whether a federal crime was committed. And frankly, I'm not going to litigate this case on Market Street. Thank you very much, Mr. Cole. I think we're done. Thanks.
Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right, guys, those are the attorneys for Councilmember Johnson and his wife, Dawn Javu, reacting to the mistrial here today. They don't know at this point whether the government will decide to retry their clients, and they say they're actually going to be talking to the prosecutors, talking to the government about that decision. But this is not a not guilty verdict for them, but it is certainly for them a better outcome than it could have been. Now, you may have just heard in that session we were talking about another council member who has been on trial recently, and that is Councilmember Bobby Heenan, who was convicted and is currently awaiting sentencing. So this is the second time that Philadelphia residents have watched one of their council members who represents them at City Hall going on trial here at federal court. That one with Bobby Heenan, that ended in a conviction. This one today, this one did not. Instead, it ended in a mistrial. Live in Old City, I'm Lauren Mayk, NBC 10 News. Guys, back to you.
Lauren, thank you for that. We'll continue to get reaction.